So I finished the ploughing. I'm just going to grease all the mole ploughs up, otherwise they become all rusty. So I'll show you what I'm going to do now.
I'm a bloody shoulder, you tit.
I did go. So when I'm topping, this is what collects in the radiators. I thought I'd blow it off because I don't want the tractor to overheat. And the aircon's rubbish, I'm really hot. Do it a quick blow. There's one. Now you would do a normal full like blow down, but I'm gotta go carry on for the day, so just doing it quickly. Oh, put my radiators back in. I don't know if you noticed, I turned my wheel out as well, otherwise you can't get the what's it called, the radiators out. So power harrow is now on and I'm going to go down and power harrow the field. I don't know if you watched my video from a few weeks ago all about power harrowing, but this does an amazing job. So I ploughed it in my last video and now I'm going to power harrow it just to create a fine seed bed. I didn't tell you what I was planting last year in this, because what the heck am I planting at this time of the year? Keep watching to find out what I'm planting, but this power harrow does a great job straight over the plough. Let's go and see what it does. So there's my ploughing and look what it's doing. What an amazing job that is doing. So I'm just going over this bit so I don't have to turn on the lumpy bits basically. But there's my dodgy ploughing and that's what it leaves. This is all such a rush because it's meant to rain tonight and I'm trying to get it all drilled by tonight so we get a bit of moisture. Because without water, the seeds won't grow. It's called a process called imbibition. Without water and sunlight, it won't grow. So it's all in a rush. Hopefully, I can get a power harrowed and drilled tonight. If I'm rushing to get an acre ploughed and harrowed and drilled into the ground, you can imagine what it's like doing thousands of acres all across the farm, of the pressure of trying to get it in. So I'm just doing a little patch and it's taken me nearly all day to do all of these jobs, measuring it out. We have had to go and collect the power harrow and things like that, but this is on just a tiny scale. Imagine what it's like on a big scale. We're making some dust now. Oh, we're getting on. So I've done it once and I think I'm going to go over it and do it again because it's still got grass and it's just a bit lumpy and it's just not quite the seedbed I wanted. So round 2. So we have now finished power harrowing our little patch. Any guesses still of what we are power harrowing, planting, drilling at this time of the year? So it looks all right now. It's not the best of land, but it's gonna do a good job, I hope. Now we're just praying for some rain. So that is the power harrowing done. So next time we're gonna put the fertilizer in the seed bed. Now we're doing this with the quad bike because we don't have a small enough machine apart from that. So come with me next time and see how we do that. What the hell is he doing? I think he's enjoying this all the way. Oh my goodness! What is he doing? He's going to come up. He's not going to come up the track, is he? Is he landing? Oh my god! There's a post there. What the hell is he doing?